Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings and scroll down to the sounds and the vibration section. Scroll a little bit down and here you can see the silent mode. Just to turn on silent mode on your device you should click once on the switcher, and to turn it off you should click once again on the switcher. Also we can silence the media in the silence mode. Just click on the switcher with the silent mode together. And also we got the second way how we can do it. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and here click once on this bell icon and you can see here the message that silent mode is on, and just to turn it off click once again on this bell icon. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.